Hi, Sarah Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I thought I would share a quick video with you about the new embossing mats that are part of the 2018 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. So when you order the mats, what you get is this white impression pad, a thicker gray silicone mat, and then this fairly floppy blue silicone mat. Now let me show you the difference that it makes when you use them. We're going to start with some dies from Eclectic Layers Thinlits and Nature's Roots. And I've got a piece of crumb cakes cardstock and my standard sandwich here. And I'm going to put the Eclectic Layers die down. The leaf here is embossing only, so I've got one that's cut and embossed and two that are embossing only. And let me show you what our standard technique for cutting these looks like. Okay, pull these off, and when you're done, I'm just going to pull a few of these loose. You get the embossed leaves and then this piece that is not embossed but has all the pieces cut out. So let me show you what it looks like with the sandwich and the blue silicone mat. So let me move this out of the way. We're going to take this adapter piece off and put the white impressions piece down. This is a little different than the directions that come with it, okay? And then we're going to put the blue silicone mat down, and then we're going to put our dies down. Our paper down, sorry. Had to think here a second. Okay. And then going to run through with my cutting plate on top. And this is not going to feel like it has any tension at all. It feels far too easy. Okay, so on this one, the leaves are embossed, and this has embossed but not cut. Okay, and then we're going to put the adapter plate back in, my bottom cutting plate, take another piece of crumb cake. Let me cut these, move these little pieces out of the way. We'll put these back on, just like we did the first time, and we're going to run it through. Sorry about the shaking. Let me take this off. Oops. We're going to set those right back on. So we're going to take the bottom cutting plate off and the adapter. Then we're going to put the impressions platform back in and the gray silicone mat. And then we're going to put this whole bit over here. I'm just going to slide all of these back in place. It's super easy. You can feel them connect with their semi-embossed place. And then let's, sorry about my arm across the camera, roll this back through. And let's pop these out. Okay, so you get the much deeper embossed leaves, and then this piece, you may have to just take my word for it. It's hard to see on camera, but this inside grid, all of these pieces did cut loose. This inside grid is recessed below the edge of the cardstock, which gives a really cool, I guess it makes it 2D effect versus this flatter piece, which is what we're used to getting with our cut and emboss piece. So this piece was the original. Our dies didn't emboss as well, and this one gives a much deeper look. And then if you want subtle embossing from any die, because you'll see that this did not cut through, you can now make any die an embossing die with the thin blue mat. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that's answered your questions about the new embossing mats in the Stampin' Up! 2018 catalog. There will be a link in the description below for a blog post where I have used these on a card. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then hop on over. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sarah Levin, the Artful Inker at theartfulinker.com. Bye.